Hey, fellow gamers! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of gaming keyboards. Whether you're looking for customizable key switches or a budget-friendly option, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 5 gaming keyboards that will elevate your gaming experience. Let's get started.
Razer Huntsman V2 Tactile. The Razer Huntsman V2 Tactile is the pinnacle of gaming brilliance in the mechanical keyboard domain in 2024. With its revolutionary features and cutting-edge technology, this small powerhouse elevates gaming to new heights. Razer's trademark optical switches provide an ultra-fast actuation speed of 1.0 mm on the Huntsman V2 Tactile. This assures lightning-fast response times, providing gamers with a competitive advantage in fierce battles. The tankless design improves portability and maximizes workspace, making it ideal for competitive gamers as well as those on the go. Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed. The Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed is the pinnacle of gaming brilliance in 2024. This little mechanical gaming keyboard packs a punch, combining Razer's famed precision with unique features designed specifically for gamers. The Black Widow V3 Mini provides a flawless and lag-free gaming experience thanks to Razer's Hyperspeed wireless technology, which ensures that every keystroke is registered with lightning-fast precision. The small form factor is ideal for people who want a minimalist work layout without sacrificing performance. With Razer's trademark mechanical switches, each keystroke provides physical and aural feedback, improving the gaming and typing experience. The RGB chroma backlighting on the keyboard is also adjustable, allowing players to create a personalized gaming atmosphere. The Black Widow V3 Mini is designed for versatility with dedicated media controls, programmable macro support, and Razer Synapse compatibility for fine-tuning and customization. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive esports fan, the Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed is the go-to mechanical gaming keyboard for 2024, providing a great balance of performance, portability, and design. The Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed continues to push the boundaries of mechanical gaming keyboards in 2024. This pocket-sized powerhouse redefines the gaming experience by emphasizing portability without sacrificing the performance that gamers require. Razer's Hyperspeed wireless technology is the star of the show, providing a wireless connection so fast and steady that you'll forget you're not using a wired setup. This capability is a game-changer, especially for gamers who want to move freely without sacrificing quickness. The Black Widow V3 Mini's compact appearance does not imply a reduction in quality. Razer's famed mechanical switches, configurable RGB chroma backlighting, and long-lasting construction ensure that every keystroke is not only precise but also visually pleasing. Each key's tactile feedback improves the overall gaming and typing experience, making it a versatile addition to any setup. Gamers will appreciate the smart inclusion of discrete media controls, which provide rapid access to volume and playback choices. The keyboard's programmable macro functionality and Razer Synapse compatibility enhance its customization capabilities, catering to a wide range of gaming preferences. The Razer Black Widow V3 Mini Hyperspeed is a testament to Razer's devotion to innovation. Whether you're a mobile gamer or someone who loves a clutter-free workstation, it is still the pinnacle of a mechanical gaming keyboard in 2024, flawlessly blending performance, mobility, and style for the discerning gamer.
The Roccat Vulcan TKL emerges as a compact keyboard that doesn't compromise on performance, making it an appealing choice for gamers who value both form and function. The keyboard features Rockat's mechanical Titan switches, providing users with a precise and responsive typing experience. This is especially crucial for gamers who demand accuracy and speed in their keystrokes. The tankless design contributes to a more portable gaming setup, catering to those who prioritize mobility. Aesthetically, the Vulcan TKL stands out with its aluminum board and customizable RGB lighting. The combination of these features adds a touch of elegance and allows users to personalize their gaming environment. One standout feature is the inclusion of a volume knob, providing convenient control over audio settings directly from the keyboard. This can enhance the overall user experience, especially during gaming sessions. On the downside, the Vulcan TKL skips the wrist rest. While this may be considered a minor trade-off, some users may prefer the additional comfort provided by a wrist rest during extended gaming sessions. The Roccat Vulcan TKL impresses with its attractive design, bright RGB lighting, and the convenience of a volume knob. Its compact and portable nature makes it an excellent choice for gamers seeking a balance between performance and aesthetics. The Roccat Vulcan 128MO takes center stage as a full-sized gaming keyboard that effortlessly combines style with substance, making it a strong contender in the gaming peripherals arena. One standout feature of the Vulcan 128MO is its Titan tactile switches, providing users with a unique and responsive typing experience. The floating keycaps further enhance the overall aesthetic, contributing to the keyboard's distinct look. Aesthetically, the aluminum board of the Vulcan 128MO adds a touch of sophistication and durability. This not only looks great but also ensures that the keyboard can withstand the demands of intense gaming sessions. Customization enthusiasts will appreciate the keyboard's customizable RGB lighting, allowing users to personalize their gaming setup to match their preferences. The bright lighting adds an extra layer of flair, contributing to the overall visual appeal. Dedicated media controls are another positive aspect of the Vulcan 128MO. This feature provides convenience for users who want quick and easy access to media functions without navigating away from their gaming experience. On the downside, some users find the wrist rest of the keyboard less comfortable. This can be a drawback for individuals who prioritize ergonomic design for extended gaming sessions. Additionally, the lack of USB pass-through might be a limitation for users who rely on this feature for additional connectivity.
SteelSeries Apex 3 TL. The SteelSeries Apex 3 TL is the pinnacle of mechanical gaming excellence in 2024. With its cutting-edge features, this tiny, tournament-ready keyboard packs a punch, making it a standout choice for gamers looking for a competitive edge. The Apex 3 TL features mechanical switches that provide tactile feedback and lightning-fast response speeds for an unparalleled gaming experience. Its tankless design reduces space while still ensuring swift, efficient movement during strenuous gaming sessions. The Apex 3 TL's programmable RGB lighting allows you to tailor your setup and create an immersive gaming atmosphere. The keys are whisper quiet, achieving the right blend of responsiveness and stealthy operation, making them ideal for late-night gaming without disturbing others. The Apex 3 TKL is built to last, with a sturdy design that can handle the demands of prolonged gaming. The separate media controls and customizable macros make it easier to fine-tune your games without interfering with the action. In conclusion, the SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL is the best mechanical gaming keyboard in 2024. Combining performance, compact design, and configurable options to push your gaming experience to new heights. Dive further into gaming bliss with the SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL, the greatest mechanical gaming keyboard in 2024. This small powerhouse not only demonstrates precision with its mechanical switches, but also embraces innovation to meet the ever-changing needs of the gaming community. The mechanical switches of the Apex 3 TKL provide a deep tactile experience, guaranteeing that each keystroke is more than just a command, but a pleasant sensation. The tankless design of the keyboard, in addition to saving space, enables for quick, unfettered mouse movements, providing gamers with the agility they require in critical situations. Because of its dynamic RGB lighting, the Apex 3 TL puts customization front and center. Customize the keyboard to match your gaming setup or sync it with in-game events for a completely immersive experience. The whisper-quiet keys create the perfect mix between responsiveness and silence, giving you a sneaky advantage during long gaming sessions. The Apex 3 TKL is known for its durability. This keyboard is designed to survive the most intense gaming sessions. Its sturdy build ensures durability, giving it a dependable friend for endless encounters in the virtual sphere. Never give up control when you have dedicated media controls and programmable macros at your disposal. Without interrupting your gaming flow, you can change audio settings, skip tracks, or conduct sophisticated instructions. In essence, the SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL emerges as the pinnacle of mechanical gaming keyboards in 2024, providing unrivaled performance, a sleek look, and customization possibilities to cater to the individual tastes of every gamer. Keychron Q6. In 2024, meet the Keychron Q6, the pinnacle of mechanical gaming keyboards. With its amazing features and performance, this cutting-edge keyboard is meant to boost your gaming experience. The Keychron Q6 is a sleek and robust design with RGB backlighting that provides a dynamic flair to your gaming setup. Its mechanical switches have a tactile and responsive feel that ensures precision and speed with every keystroke. The Keychron Q6 adaptability is one of its most notable features. It switches between wireless and wired modes with ease, giving you the freedom of a wireless connection without sacrificing responsiveness. The keyboard is device agnostic, making it an excellent alternative for gamers who switch between platforms. Customization is essential, and the Q6 provides that. Gamers can obtain a competitive advantage by customizing their keyboard with programmable keys and macro capabilities. Guys, that concludes our top 5 best gaming mechanical keyboards of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.